And so far today, it's been absolutely awful. It's been pouring with rain, it's been cold and wet, but that's not the case everywhere because there are some spots across the country where the weather's actually been half decent. Now, on the satellite picture, there's a distinct curl of bad weather. It's the cloud here visible on the satellite picture. This is rain-bearing cloud towards the south, snow-bearing cloud towards the north of Scotland. In fact, here we've got blizzards, and it looks as though we're going to see quite a lot of snow across the northern parts of Scotland as we go over the rest of the afternoon and into the evening hours. And the big red triangle, which will appear any moment, here it is. That's a warning from the Met Office. Like I say, northern parts of Scotland over the hills, a foot of snow, and that's fairly troublesome. To the other side of the border across England, or some parts of Scotland and England, it's actually a mixture of sunny spells and a few wintry showers, and then we get into this nagging area of rain. It's a very narrow weather front, but a very heavy rain front here. Again, a red triangle, so another warning for central southern England. And the rain could be very heavy indeed. We could see something like 30 or 40 millimetres of rain, so some local flooding in one or two places. Then we get into southwest England and Wales, and the weather eases off a little bit. There's still one or two dribs and drabs of rain, but on the whole, I suppose it could be worse. It's not that bad. There are some sunny spells poking through, and the same can be said for Northern Ireland too. Here, temperatures of around about 5 degrees. So what's going to happen through the evening hours then? Well, notice this band of weather, which was there yesterday, it's still here this evening and overnight tonight. It's bringing some wet weather towards the south of the UK, and the snow will continue across the northern parts of Scotland. A bit in the middle, clearer spells, and temperatures will drop to below freezing, so there's some mist and fog first thing in the morning as well. Now, there are subtle nuances to our weather tomorrow. Yes, there is some miserable weather across the south of the country tomorrow, but this time it's in the form of snow across the Midlands. It's a very narrow band of snow. I'll zoom into that in just a second. Also, the good news is that if you've had enough of the snow across Scotland, well, it'll ease off. So tomorrow, it shouldn't be snowing so heavily in Scotland. However, on the other hand, we get the snow across the Midlands. And remember, this band could be here, could be here, could be a little bit further southward. So bear that in mind in the Midlands for tomorrow. This is Thursday. It's a mishmash, again, a hodgepodge of weather, sunshine and showers on the horizon, around about 6 degrees or so. Some of them will be on the wintry side. It's just about cold enough for a little bit of sleet and snow. And to be honest, it's business as usual as far as the weather goes as we head towards the end of the week. Again, shower clouds on the horizon, and also a noticeable breeze as well. So a real mix of everything, and not an awful lot of it looks pretty, to be honest. There we go.